Hey guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to another mukbang. Is this the third day? Fourth day maybe?
Fourth.
Northeast food mukbang. And
Northeast!
today we try to make my state, a food from my state.
What's the food?
Okay.
What's your state? Arizona?
Nga THONGBA in Manipuri. That means fish curry. Okay? The fish, I'll explain to you about that. Here's the buyer. So
No.
this is SHAN KANGHOU, beef, dry beef. Okay, spicy. Alright, and we have a boiled broccoli, champut.
And we have some green salad.
Yeah. So, my husband doesn't like that much fish.
Fish.
And I told him like to buy the fish that doesn't have too much fat, and he came back with the fish that has the most fat.
Yeah, that's
so
obese.
I don't know if he's gonna eat or not. Here, baby.
Obese fish, baby. But
I'm worried about you, honey.
don't be worried about me, baby. Oh, I just need this to put some bones on.
There you go. Nga chaba haide ma ko charu yambage.
That's me, you know.
Just the gravy, baby. But you know what?
It's good.
This is for you. That's why I make this for you. She SHAN KANGHOU do. Maki the makne. She yam haugani. Here, take how much you want. I will eat the fish, okay?
I will eat this, but actually.
Here, broccoli. Broccolis.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
I love fish, baby.
I love fish sometimes. Not all the time, but I love fish sometimes. So I think it's gonna be really good.
Oh, I like the sauce.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, guys. Hope you're doing good. Want some salad?
Yes, please. Just a little bit, honey.
Here. Oh, I want me to. Okay.
Just a little bit.
Here.
Thank you.
I'll take it from here. I don't want to serve myself. Yeah, you don't mind, guys.
I can make nga si yam hao.
Let's see the actual fish. How it tastes like. You see, the danger of the fish for me is these small little bones.
I know.
And some people can take it out and be okay with it, but I'm like, when I like to chew and swallow.
Sure.
Yeah.
We forgot shout out again.
We'll do it now.
Okay, I have just one. Can I start it first? Guys, sorry. Okay, the first one is Akriluho. Her birthday is on 8th of November. So she's from last year. I remember you. Happy birthday, girl. And there's one more. I have one more, honey.
Go,
and
baby.
I'm good.
Go.
William Crusade. Love your food and cute videos. Love your videos of Dublin. Yeah, you're the one from Dublin, Ireland, eh?
Dublin.
Long time ago. How you been?
Yeah, rainy.
Yeah, how are
I
you?
remember. A long time
Thanks for
no see.
watching. I hope you're doing well. Okay. Do you have any?
Yeah, I have some. Shout out for Akam Sopoe. And then shout out for boyfriend of Imli Tula, and his name is
Shout out,
Maren.
guys.
His name is Maren. Shout out to you from Imli Tula. Shout out for the family of Elizabeth Yap back home in Nagaland, and she's been probably away, and she misses them. Shout out to Acrylujo.
I showered just now.
Oh, that's for the November 8th, yeah? Oh, okay.
Shout out to everybody, guys.
Shout out. And then that's it, guys.
Yeah.
That's it. As you see, guys, we're not doing the classical shout out anymore, like titles and stuff, but we do shout out. So don't be sad, yeah?
Take too much time. Every one of you is special. Okay, guys?
Yeah. Anyway,
How's the fish, honey?
fish is good.
I love this.
Only the small things are.
The bone?
Mm-hmm.
I always like, whenever I eat fish, I was like, when we go to Imphal ever, then I'm gonna tell the Ima, like, Ima, nga cha she. Ah.
What's that?
Ima, it means mother, with respect. Yeah? Let's eat fish. Do you have fish in your restaurant? You know, something like that? So good.
These cherry tomatoes, baby.
You good?
They're very salty by themselves.
When you brought it in the house, I thought it's like spicy chilies.
Now, my face eating beef.
It's good, right? This one?
So good, baby.
I'm sure this recipe is good. Let me try one. Try the chili first. Oh, with the garlic smell. I learned this recipe from one miso girl. Excellent.
Thank you for that. So good.
Howdy
baby.
med cái nọ. Nè. Ra vào mẹ. Em hầu đi.
Yeah, how baby.
There's someone who says, you don't want to do Kasi food. Guys,
Yeah, just right.
give us some chance.
Give us some recipes and show us on YouTube how they make it so we can, because it's a research, you know, it's, you cannot just, oh, let's do this and then she needs to process and stuff like that. So
And at the same time, we cannot eat pork all the time.
yeah,
Right?
that's true also.
We have to alternate our meals, you know? We cannot just eat pork all the time. It's kind of heavy on us. So
Yeah.
I'm so glad that we have the chance to eat fish today or the beef.
Yeah.
Because all the recipes in Nordics, the special one is mostly pork all the time.
Well, that's the local thing here.
Everything pork. So maybe after this it's gonna come like the Kasi dish, pork dish. You know, kids, just give us a moment, okay?
And trust me, I would like to try them all. So it's not like we don't wanna. I just, she plans 10-15 mukbangs in advance.
We have like 2-3 more Nordic food mukbang, and then we're gonna go to the mainland Indian curries mukbang. And I cannot wait for that.
And people who are new to our channel and wanted to know how we met or stuff like that, like just read the description. There will be like
All the links are down below, guys.
there'll be links, or you can see some.
Do you like this fried beef or not?
I love it. I'm gonna take more.
I love this fish.
I love this beef.
I love fish.
I love beef.
Like once in a month, like I like a lot of fish.
You see, salad is mostly for me. Try the try.
I did.
And
It's awesome.
like it.
No.
You like it. Oh, today I was walking, baby, in Galenica, yeah.
With Bella?
And I was at the place. This is a small, like, how do you call that? Hood, no? I don't know how you call it.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood, yeah. It's like made.
Because there's no place like this everywhere. You know what I mean? So I don't know how to say it.
What's Kalina
Some
in Mumbai?
hood.
What's Kalina in Mumbai?
Kali? Kali is like small roads to go to your house. Like there's lots of Kali with...
But the whole neighborhood is called Kali, no?
No.
No, I don't get that. I got it wrong.
For example, in Mumbai, this place they would say like Kalina. But Kalina Kali means like inside that Kalina area that's like...
What's Kalina? What's Kalina?
The name of the place, like Kalinika.
So I was walking today, and for the first time, I found a place where I've never been before. And it's magical. It's like big houses with a nice lawn.
It's because we just we moved like a year ago from other side.
And it's very close to the factory, so we never walk there. There's no way to walk. So today I walked the dog, and like big houses with a lawn, nice big, like rich people, yeah, or rented house. I don't know. I mean house for renting, but behind it is a small, like a forest.
Forest everywhere in Serbia.
Like a small forest. Like I don't know how to call it a small forest, but we have different names for
Small forest.
Small forest. Little foresty. It was so peaceful and serene, and you know the highway is on both sides, but you cannot hear anything. So cool place.
And you and Bella went there?
We were just passing through to the trails.
While I was cooking, or was it in the morning?
In the morning.
While I was sleeping.
I don't want to say any names here.
Because I don't sleep in the night, honey. Really? Anyway, guys, I want to say something very, very important to everybody. Everybody's like family here.
Yeah.
In our channel. I don't want you guys to fight in the comment section. Please don't fight.
Listen, baby, there's a freedom of speech. We are like America here. You can say...
but the reason that I want to say is we don't talk about politics or religious beliefs.
No.
Because they're too complicated, okay?
No.
So it's all about recipe, eating, and cooking.
And feelings.
So don't bring those geographical status of your
political,
people,
sociological,
your tribe, and all those stuff, guys. Stop it. Okay?
Yeah, we gathered here for food, not for that.
Let's just be love.
We hope that with this Mukbang channel, we can bring cultures together, you know? Like Serbian culture with Northeast Indian culture, Northeast India with each other. Now, it's very important. I take more rice.
I'm good.
A little bit.
This beef is very good recipe.
I love it, baby.
I don't eat it today because I have to eat the fish. You can make this fry and boil some veggies or dal and then just rice. Yum haubane.
Very good taste.
Haribop haptabdo. Nga curry do. Lay the begine. Any late day harashu no idea. Comment dog ni I kange. Haribop like this da. Pangde. I did lime leaves too. Man potato hapkini haraka I cow. Ado lay the begine. And the besan ge. What do you call that?
Mortar and pestle?
Besan.
Pestle?
Besan is like the powder that the garbanzo beans powder. Yeah, we use that for Manipuri, special for fish cooking.
Sorry, guys.
Excuse me. We use that powder to thicken the sauce. But I didn't because we're not fan of that.
Some things you do, some things you don't. Guys, thank you very much for being with us and eating with us. And I hope it's not late at night. It is probably for some of you. But
Don't watch at night, guys.
I hope you enjoyed. What's the name of this again?
NGA THONGBA.
NGA THONGBA. I hope
And
you enjoyed
SHAN KANGHOU.
Hope you enjoyed NGA THONGBA and SHAN KANGHOU.
Not really KANGHOU, but this is the way we...
Apei,
It's very good.
Yeah.
Yum haubane shi shum dobdo.
Yum how this one. Please check out the links below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe definitely if you didn't
Please
already.
do.
And if you are new to this channel, check out the links. If you are old to this channel, hi, nice to meet you again. And that should be all, huh?
Yeah, and we are gonna do the giveaway tomorrow.
Yes. So check out our
We couldn't do
vlog.
it before because of what?
Post office didn't send anything to India.
Now they start working, so we're gonna try again.
Yeah, we're gonna make a vlog out of it so you can follow us and see. So that should be all, guys. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See
Bye.
you next time. Bye.
Bye.